Chinese steamed egg recipe. Check out these 1 recipes. 1. Chinese steamed egg custard. Easy recipe. Ingredients: eggs times 2, water, 1 egg, use 2 eggshells water, a pinch of salt or a drop of chicken stock. Garnish: soy sauce, sesame oil, shrimp times 1, shiitake mushroom times 1, a dash of chili flakes, a small handful of chopped spring onions. Instructions: custard preparation. Crack eggs into a bowl. In another separate bowl, mix evenly a drop of chicken stock or salt and warm water. Once water mixture is cool, pour into the egg bowl and beat it evenly. Strain the egg mixture into your desired bowl or plate. Wrap plate with aluminum foil. Steam it for 8 to 10 minutes. Garnish: add some soy sauce, add a dash of sesame oil, add sliced shiitake mushrooms, add chopped spring onions, add a dash of chili flakes.